So as you know, if you watch my channel a lot, I love dancing. I really do. So yeah, I really do love dancing. Hold up. So on the screen, you can see that you see me moonwalking, right? Hold up. So I guess I can't do this. Boom. You think I'm walking, but I'm not. Hold up. Let me restart that. Look, 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 look. Look, that's how I do it. That's how I do it. I swear. I never walk backwards. That's how I do it. Look, and then you see it from this perspective. It looks very good. Good. It looks very good. Look. You see? You see? Huh? 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 You see? You see? Huh? 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 There? You see? Huh? Huh? I see. Okay, that's enough. I might get copyrighted. I might get copyrighted. I hate getting copyrighted. I think I do another one. Yeah, I do another one right here. Look. You see? Again. Again. I don't do that. I'm loyal. Moonwalk. Ow! Oh my god. Oh shoot. We got a Leica. So he says, well, he's saying, it was a Saturday night. I'm gonna say June. It was actually June 30th. That's not how you spell June. Yeah, it was June 30th. I'm not lying. It was actually June 30th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, look. That's my jam. And then I said, Niji BB. Thank you. Such a weird name. And then you go to my channel. You see all of this. I hate Skyla. I thought I took this video down. She only got 400 views. Wait, what? Look, she says this. Guess what? Guess which one is me. Subscribe if you know. Mwahaha. Jaylene, aka Skyla Sings. You will never know. What? You don't need to subscribe. Here come my sneaky laugh. Hee! By the way, I never had a F in class. Cheer, cheer, cheer. You don't need to actually cheer. Need to cheer. I love my fans. Is she dumb? Cause look, if you go to my channel, and you go right here, you do not need to subscribe to her. I'm just letting you go, guys. She does not have all of this. You do not need to subscribe to her, okay? And look, if you press right here, freaking shows her. She's dumb. And then look at my, how is that related? Yeah, whatever. If you go to my about, and then it says, hey guys, it's actually Roy Vlogs. I can't believe I'm doing the bio. I haven't really gotten such a long time. So yeah, I recently got in a fight with Skyla Sings. If you know, go ahead and support me and be going through the roof. We punch her in the face. Sorry, I just to let that out. So sorry. We're recently at 23 or 24 subscribers. So yeah, if you search up Skyla Sings, let's go down a little bit. then you'll see I'm firing. I messed up. I'm firing back autocorrect. So yeah, I'm firing back to Skyless Things. Yeah, dreaming. Oh yeah, and yeah, don't forget to keep on dreaming. Don't forget to chase those dreams. I'm signing off. Bye, guys. I'm gonna leave something that you don't know. But yeah, bye, guys. We're at 2,000 views. 2,000 views. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Cabrera Lopez. I know him. He's a. My first intro. 8 seconds. What is this? Okay. So, we had a sleepover 2 weeks ago. Right? And I fell asleep like around 6 a.m. And then he made this video. He plays Roblox. Yeah. So look. First intro of his. Hey guys, to intro maker. You. Oh, I don't know what's spelling. You should. You should say. You should say. I help him out in a lot of videos. You should say, welcome to Cabrera. That's a cab. So yeah, Lopez. I help him out in a lot of videos, not to lie. Okay, don't judge me. So I said you should say welcome to Cabrera Lopez instead of this. I mean, I admit it's a really cool intro. So guys, I recently cannot live stream. Look, I have my camera, it's right there. And if I click this, go live. It's gonna say that my camera's not working. Yeah, right. But if you go to Creator Studio, I'm saying, you go to Creator Studio, and then you go all the way over here. This is right here. Oh shoot, I don't even. Okay, whatever. Where's the reason why I can't live stream? It normally tells you like around right here. I'm not sure. Whatever, a week ago. If she said, oh yeah, he was on my team, but subscribers. The one Miranda, Logan Paul, James Jackson Street. I wonder who that is. Alex Kadira, subscribe. 6 subscribers. See him. Like videos, but he doesn't have any videos. Flamingo! I love him. He says a little bit of dirty jokes, but I'm Smosh. Okay. Okay, whatever. Community settings right there. Hold up. Nope, never mind. Live streaming. I think it's right here. It should be it. Oh yeah. It won't let me live stream. Okay. Wait, what? Due to terms of violation, access to live streaming has been restricted, and it won't let me live stream. Yeah. So that really ruined my life. Yeah. The three, I should go the same. What's new? I can't live stream. The reason I can't live stream anymore is because if you go to my videos, well, you can't do it anymore, right? I mean, it was up for like a minute or so, and then boom, right here. See, community guidelines, right? And guess what? I hate myself. Because if you go to my channel, guideline, I went down. I was happy. It was, you see, I can't do it anymore. I can enable monetization, but I just don't know how. You see, sign up for that, and I don't know how. And 1,000 subscribers? I can't get that high. This is how people win money. Trust me. Advanced. Keep dreaming. Keywords keep dreaming, yeah. Okay, just go back, please. Okay, look. Sorry. So if I put live streaming, right? Learn more. Live stream restrictions last for 90 days or until if I get another community guideline strike, 3 months of no live streaming. Yeah. Ads. I don't know how to get ads. Guideline communities. Like what? What? Ah. Why does YouTube always make this stuff? Well, yeah. I showed you pretty much about my life. I don't know how to upload videos on thing, so yeah. Well, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep on dreaming. My keywords. Keep on dreaming. Dreaming. Don't. That's a keyboard. Wow. Okay. Well, guys, don't forget to keep on dreaming. Chase those dreams. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and comment. Bye.